nice.
So we have a green, a white, and
This dark one, like it like literally makes my okay, so I literally just got like 8 Amazon packages in the mail. We're gonna open them because girl, I already know exactly what this is and I'm pumped because there was 2 things that I really wanted last time that they were out of stock and now it's back in stock. And I'm really excited because I'm about to go on vacation in literally like a day. So I literally want to bring the robe with me because I want to get ready in it and all that stuff. And then there's like 2 really cute, like there's like a pajama set that I really want to bring with me as well. So we're gonna unbox it, all that stuff. I'm also gonna try it on so you guys can like see like what it looks like on. Let's open up this one. I'm going to the beach, so I think that this is going to be like really pretty, like on the beach at like sunset or just like walking around, you know. This is the first item. Oh my god, it's so freaking soft. Are you kidding me? This material, the material is so soft. It's so comfortable. You know, like when you just put those clothes on and you're just like, it feels like I'm wearing a blanket. Like it doesn't feel like I'm wearing like an uncomfortable dress. It's so pretty. I love the color. This is gonna look so freaking cute on the beach. Right here, it's just like a little cinching, so it makes the boobies look good, you know. I even could wear it off the shoulder. I might actually wear it off the shoulder on the beach. You guys can like kind of see it a little bit more. Like, girl, she is so freaking cute and just nice. Next one. I love Amazon. I'm addicted to Amazon. Oh my god, it's okay. It's one of the robes. Oh my god, it's one of the robes. It's one of the robes. Oh, it's stunning, girl. Okay, you guys, this robe, it's like y'all are definitely seeing me in this in my next get ready with me. It is so freaking cute. It's like this little like grayish kind of like blue color, I guess. Like I don't even know what color you would call this, but this is so freaking cute. Every girl needs to have this, honestly. I love these style of robes. I have a pink one that I got last time that I showed you guys. Obsessed with it. Literally get ready in it all the time. Like it's just like so nice. Okay, so if you have like a wedding coming up, like your bridesmaids in these, like these would be like the cutest little like bridesmaids get ready with me robe because they look very wedding like, you know, but like they're not white. So this is so freaking cute and it's so like just like flowy and airy. Bringing this with me on vacation so I can get ready in it. Do you guys see how it kind of has that detailing where it's like, it goes like that? I don't know how to explain it, but like, it's freaking adorable. Do you see it? Oh my god. Okay, so these ones are the fleece pajama 2 set. Winter time is coming up, right? Okay, so I don't really have a lot of like warm, fuzzy, cozy pajamas. One thing about me, I do not like to be, whenever I'm cold, my brain shuts down. I forget my name. I can't have a conversation. Like nothing can happen when I'm cold, right? Are you kidding me? It is so... Oh my, I'm like, can it be winter? Okay, this is like, it's way too hot to wear this right now, but oh, I wish you guys could feel this. Like, do you guys, it just like, you could see that it looks like pillow blanket. This feels like the equivalent to like if I was to go get a blanket, you know, like one of those really just soft fuzzy blanket, and I went to a clothing designer person and I was like, yo, make me a 2-piece set out of it. This is blanket material, you guys. This is pajama, like blanket pillow soft. It comes with just these little long bottoms. It has a little white tie if you want to make it tighter. This makes my butt literally look so freaking good. It's just so soft. I feel like I'm wearing a blanket. Like this is my new favorite pajama set. Like winter, if you see me wearing this 7 days in a row, mind your business. Okay, next one, let's see. This is, oh, okay, so this is another little fun thing. So it's basically just like a gray little just sleep jumpy. It's so freaking just light and airy and comfortable. I love it. So what I really like about this is that it's long sleeve and all that stuff, but it'll like keep me warm in the winter time. But also if you're one of those people that like get hot at night, I randomly get like hot flashes. Like I don't know what's going on. I don't know if you guys can tell by this material, but the material is so like just light. So makes my, you know, butt look good. When you walk, it kind of jiggles, you know. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. This is what it looks like though. I love it. It's super cute. I definitely think that you guys should get this though. Especially if you like, I don't know, if you like co-sleep with like your boyfriend or your girlfriend or whatever, and you get really hot. This is definitely the perfect pajama because you will not be getting hot in this. Okay, the next one, I'm like, where is the white robe? Just like, where is it? I don't know which one it's in. Okay, so these are the pajamas that I'm gonna bring on the trip. These are so cute. I'm gonna look so cute in the hotel bed. This. Oh yeah, girl, I am literally so excited to bring this on my vacation. I feel like it just gives me my vacation vibes. So I'm going to Disneyland, I'm also going to the beach and all that stuff. And girl, this just like, this gives beach and Disneyland vibes. Just has buttons all the way down, has a little pocket. It is also little shorts, which I really like. I'm looking in my mirror right now if you guys are wondering. It also makes my booty look good, you know. Bounce, 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 bounce. I have a feeling that this might be the package that we were looking for. Oh my God, I've waited months. Oh my God. I'm literally wearing this to bed. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. So it's this little cream plush color. Like, you can't tell me that this is not luxurious AF. This is what they would give you in a rich hotel. Like, this is what they would give you. Okay, I literally have to try it on like right now because I'm like, what, girl? You're lying. Oh my God, I love it. Oh my God, you're lying. I love it. This robe is so freaking soft and nice. It feels like a blanket. And look, you can literally tell, like, girl, tell me that this does not look like a blanket. Like, that looks like a blanket that you would literally have. Put my robe on, put some little slippers on, you know, go make myself some hot chocolate. I don't know if anyone else does this. Like, whenever I get like new clothes, I envision the exact moment in my head, like when I'm gonna wear it. And I'm envisioning myself drinking some hot chocolate, sitting on the couch, you know. Oh my God. Girl, she got pockets. Oh, girl. She got pockets, and guess what? They're also the same pillow material, so it makes your hands soft and warm. I'm literally obsessed. Like, I was so obsessed with my last haul, but like, girl, I don't even want to talk about anything else because that's my favorite item. So what is this? This is what I'm going to be wearing traveling because it's so cute. It's so simple. It's so easy. They also have this in so many different colors. I think there was like literally like 12 colors on the website. I'm very much digging this. So this is the outfit where I was like, this is gonna be like the perfect like airport outfit, traveling in a car outfit. It's literally so freaking just breathable. I don't know if you guys can like tell the material. It has little shorts right here. They do that. And then it also does have pockets. Again, I like the way that it just makes my legs look like these actually fit. They're not like baggy, but they're not like too, I don't know, form-fitting, if that makes sense. But I was also totally thinking like this is the perfect like throw on, go to Walmart, go to Target, go to the grocery store, run your errands. Like, she's universal. They also sell like normal clothes and they also sell like jackets. Okay, are you guys ready? You're freaking lying. I want this in every color. I want this in every color. I'm getting this in every color. I need the cream one. Like, are you freaking kidding me? Okay, so I'm not gonna open it because I don't have anything on underneath of it. But this is what it looks like. Like, it's so freaking adorable. We have the little like faux fur, obviously, up here. So freaking stunning. And then we just have these buttons right here. It ties right here. It also has these little fake pockets, like I said, but there is real pockets on the side, and I love it. I love that it's short. I love that it kind of looks like it's like a little dress, like some little like snow boots or something, like white snow boots. Some little white ear mitts. Oh my God, stop. I literally am like gonna go on Amazon after this video and like go buy white ear mitts. Okay, you guys, so we tried all these clothes on, girl. Now we gotta get packing for real. So if you guys are interested in any of these items, I'm gonna have all the links in the description box down below. I'm obsessed. Like, I don't want to take this jacket off. Like, don't I just look so freaking cute? I leave in less than 24 hours and I don't even have my suitcase. Where's my suitcase? I don't freaking know. Okay guys, so I'm going to the beach, so we literally need to pick out bikinis, and I have so many bikinis that I haven't like worn yet. I have like a huge bikini collection, so much that I don't even know what bikinis I have because I have too many and they're shoved in this drawer and there's not enough room for them. It won't even open fully because do you see how it's like jam-packed, and it's pretty deep. Like, these are pretty deep drawers. I have them all organized, and then a lot of these are thrown on top because there's no organization. I know I want to bring that cream one, and I know I want to bring this white one. It's like a bandeaued white one. It's super cute. I've never worn it before. I love that I'm going to the beach and I literally have a Halloween pillow right there. Okay, my camera of course freaking died, but this is like the first one that I think I want to bring. It's like a little bandeau top. We'll try it on. I need to find the white bottoms to it though. I literally don't know where they are. And then it's these just cute little like crocheted bottoms. I've never like worn them before, so it's crocheted like in the front and then like in the back. It's just normal. This is from Shein, if you guys are wondering. It's just like this green one, so I feel like I definitely have to bring this because this is just like super freaking like cute. Okay, so I got this bikini from, I did a haul with this bikini, White Fox, like, when did I do that haul? I don't freaking know. These bottoms, and they tie up on the sides, and it's just like, I feel like this is going to be literally like so cluster of bikinis. Like, they literally go all the way, but I wish you could like see them all because I have so many, but they're getting like stuck. Like, they're literally like jammed in here. So I can't even freaking see like what I have. I don't even know what I have. This is stressful. I think I want to bring one of these though. What do I have over here?
So we have a green, a white, another white, a cream, an orange, a yellow, green. I feel like I need blue.
Or a pink. I do have this blue one that I've never worn that is like really beautiful. Maybe I could do this one. Oh, this one's also from White Box, really cute. I never got to wear it. That's kind of cute. It kind of goes with my nails. Okay guys, so I put the white bikini on. Okay, keep in mind that I'm gonna be tan. I'm gonna like self tan after I do all this like packing. So I'm very pale right now, so like I'm gonna look a lot better. But I think that this one's really just like cute and simple. Maybe like sunset. It looks good with my right nail, so I definitely think I'm gonna bring this one. Okay, so we're definitely bringing this one. I have a collection. I pulled out this red one that I think I might want to bring along, and then I also pulled out this little like light baby pink one, so we're gonna try those ones on too. I'm thinking this one we need like some sunglasses or something. Maybe these like brown chunky ones will look really cute with it. The white, like with the little sunglasses on it. I don't know, what do we think? Let's try on the next one. Okay, here's the next one. I love it, but I don't know if I love it on me. Does that make sense? Like, it looks really cute with like my nails. Like, it'll look really cute. Maybe this could be like a night vibe, or maybe I'll have like a cover up, because I do have like 2 cover ups. It's like long, so I think I definitely like it more with this. I think I'm like more with it, you know? Like, it makes, I just dipped this in Chanel's water. It makes my butt look really good. I just feel like I look frumpy. I'm like supposed to start my period like tomorrow, so that's also probably why I'm frumpy. I've also been eating a lot, girl. Kind of been eating a lot. Okay, so the blue one was calling my name, so I actually had to try this one on. I love this one. We're definitely bringing this one. I don't really feel frumpy in it. I feel like I actually look kind of good in it. Like, my body doesn't look frumpy. I don't know what the heck that one was doing, why it was making me look frumpy. But yeah, this one's like, I think this one's cute. Although it seems like my boobies are a little too big for it. Yeah, this is super cute. I also have like a little white one of the black one, so I'm definitely gonna bring the white one. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it with this. These are from Nasty Gal, if you guys are wondering. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna wear it with this one. I have this like cute little like white top that I kind of want to wear with like a bikini. It's like a tight long sleeve. But like, I don't know what kind of bikini to do it with though, but like it's so cute and I love wearing it. I wore it over an orange bikini one time. Like, it's just like cute. Just like over a bikini like that or something. Obviously not this one. Oh, maybe the red one. No, not the red one. Maybe the green one. Oh my god. Also guys, okay, enough with the bikinis. So I have this dress, right? And so I got this dress years ago. I did a haul on it. I couldn't even tell you when. When I did this haul, it was so long ago. But I got this dress and then I basically never wore it, because where do I wear this to, you know? Like, I got it specifically for the beach and I never went to the beach. You guys, it's like so freaking cute. Do you see this? The little like high-low on it. Okay, so imagine, I'm probably gonna put a strapless bra with it because I want the titties to be like that. Or maybe I'll bring boob tape so then they like sit like that. These. Gold chunky, okay. Gold chunky earrings. Probably with this. Right there, gold chunky earrings probably. Or maybe my medicine hoops. Let's say medicine on it. This, that, red lipstick. Yeah, girl. So I'm going to Disneyland, right? And so I need like a Disneyland thing. I think I'm gonna buy like a hoodie or something to like wear whenever it gets cold, but I need to wear something during the day. So I'm thinking like a workout outfit. I was gonna do like pants or whatever, but I'm thinking like a workout outfit. As you guys know, I did like a try-on haul. It was a Halara try-on haul, and I have so many sets, and I literally like placed another order after I did that haul. So it's just like a black workout dress, and then it has like shorts attached under it. I'm gonna be on my period, so I feel like this probably will be, it's gonna feel restricted at the top, but it'll be good and flowy, I think, for the bottom. I'm trying to tell you before my phone ran out of storage. I have to talk really quick because it's probably gonna run out of storage again, but ignore the messy room. So I became a pin girl in Disneyland, right? So yeah, it just ran out again. Okay, I got these 4 pins. I keep clicking not now. Okay guys, I cleared storage. Okay, I'm going through my bikinis again, just because I went through my phone and like I was looking at all the pictures that I wanted to like take, or like the locations that I wanted to do. So I was going through like my just stuff. I forgot I had this.
Obviously I've never worn it. But it's just like this little white cover up. I think this would actually look so freaking cute if we did the white bikini under it. Like, this is freaking sick. And like, okay, you guys are gonna see, like, make sure you guys watch my vlog because I'm gonna vlog me like actually wearing these like pretty with like makeup and stuff on. So if you want to see like how they actually look, then do that. And then, okay, I've worn this before, but I love it and I think it would be really cute in the beach, like if I'm stepping in the water and I'm like half like in the water. So it's this little top. This is from Hot Miami Styles, if you're curious. These like these little bottoms. So I have to figure out what bottoms I'm gonna wear under it because obviously it's see-through. I've decided at this point I'm just gonna literally pack everything. I'm going to pack seriously 30 swimsuits. I'm not gonna wear all of them, but I'm gonna pack like 30 so then I have options because I'm scared that like I'm going through everything and I have so much good stuff and I'm like, girl, I need to bring this and then this and then this and this. Basically we're gonna be changing bikinis every hour on the beach. Okay, so you know how I was saying that I needed like, okay, you guys are crooked. So you know how I was saying that like I needed like another outfit or whatever? So you guys saw this dress if you guys watched, sorry, it's like, what am I even doing right here? It's like, what the heck's going on? You guys saw this dress if you watched my Clean My Room With Me video because I talked about this dress because I try this on so you guys can see it because girl, it's so freaking cute. It's such a freaking vibe. It's so freaking cute, guys. Okay, so one, like it like literally makes my boobies look good. Two, it makes my body look good, girl. Like it snatches me and then there's like a little slit right here. And it just like is like so freaking cute. So like on the beach, but also just like walking around. Because one of the days I'm gonna like go shopping at all the shops. Because my dad was like, I want you to bring me back something, you know? So I gotta find like him like a bracelet or whatever. But like, isn't this super cute? Like at like sunset, like a picture. And it's so soft. The material is like so soft and comfortable. It's just one of those, I don't know. It feels like you're wearing like a blanket. I found this dress. I didn't even know I have it, but like it kind of like snatches me and it has like an open back. So do you guys think it'll be like really, really cute? Like sunset, beach, like back pictures, you know? Cause like the back's like that. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it while I'm there, but I'm just bringing it just in case. This is the last thing on my list that I needed to get ready. This bag, all I have to do is put my laptop in it. Backpack, because this is the backpack that I'm going to use for Disneyland. So we got the makeup bag all messily packed. Just goes brought up. And then I also have all my makeup brushes separately in this bag. It's really, really dirty. Please ignore it, but all the brushes are in there.